So I was trying to fix the center console latch in my CX-5. I have a 2016 CX-5, and it was made of a cheap little plastic piece that broke off. Everything I found online just seemed to be about replacing that part, taking the console apart and replacing that. Instead, I tried to come up with something that would be a little bit more permanent. So instead of replacing the part, what I did was I just took a small drill bit and drilled very slowly through the actual piece. Took a very small screw and just screwed it in. So now, instead of replacing it with another plastic piece, I'm going to be able to just keep that piece together based on the metal screw. You know, you can just adjust the length of it to make sure that it secures it well, and that's about it. Thanks very much. Bye.